Okay. Hi, 61B staff. So this is my extra credit video for project 3. My partners are Noah Hernandez and Miranda Shen. So basically, I'm just gonna go through the 3 creative mechanics and then win the game and kind of explain them as I go. Okay. So if I run it. Okay, so when it opens up, it starts playing music, but I'm gonna mute it so that it's easier to hear me. So if I enter a seed, it gives this little message, basically explaining how to win. And then so the first mechanic involves this Pokeball counter up here, and then the Pokeballs that spawn around the map. And the first message it kind of went over was that you have to collect these and then return them to the Poke Center right here. So the actual mechanic of it looks like this. They spawn, 5 of them spawn randomly throughout every map that's generated. And then see, like, I walked over that one, the count goes up. And so you just run around the map, collect all 5. And then notice, like, if the count is at 3, it's not at 5, and I try and go up, I'm pressing up right now, it won't let you go into the Poke Center. So that's kind of half of the first creative mechanic. The second mechanic is basically how I implemented all the tiles. Like, for example, the buildings, like the boat and the actual like Poke Center, like this is 25 different tiles that automatic, each one is 16 by 16 pixels because that's all we could do. And so they automatically spawn next to each other. And then similarly, like the walls, there's not one type of wall, there's many different types. Like right here is a little corner piece. Right here's like a surrounded piece. So basically I have like, I think around like 20 different wall pieces, and they spawn depending on like how they're related to the water or what the relation is in between the sand and water. And so that it decides like which wall piece to put. So between, and then same with like little spawn area with the dock and stuff. So between all these different tiles and the way they interact with each other to actually create this art is like is my second mechanic. And then also, like, I guess maybe the music could be part of that, like same like world aesthetic, I guess. And then the last mechanic is kind of like the lore behind the game, or like the little joke, I guess, is that you're a Cal student on vacation. So if you look at the boat, there's a little Cal logo right there. And then Oski he's pretty small, but he's right there on the front of the ship. And then also if you hover over the avatar, it says you, a Cal student on vacation. And then once you win the game, it also gives a little message. So I'll win it right now. I just gotta, and then also the updating. Okay, so now that the count is at 5, if I go up to the Poke Center, then walk up, it gives you this little message: Pokeballs have been recovered, vacation is over. So pretty simple game, but those are all the basics. And then, yeah, so thank you.